It's like watching an amazing movie. When you watch a fantastic movie, what is your first instinct? I want to tell everyone about it. In the same way, when I first experienced this beautiful course, my first instinct was that I want to share it with everyone. But then there were some obstacles. I was an introvert, I was not a stage person, I was not comfortable mingling with people, especially strangers. But slowly, the amazing transition happened. And all these fears, inhibitions, everything just dropped.
Intellectually, we know everything. But when that moment comes, when the negativity comes like a flood, it just overpowers you, right? It just throws you off all the knowledge you have heard, you have read, and you have understood. No, anger comes, jealousy comes, fear comes. What to do? Here, breathing techniques, meditation, Sudarshan Kriya. Kriya helps in a great manner, unbelievable fashion.
Ten compliments, one insult. What we remember more? 1 year of good friendship and 2 minutes of झगड़ा. झगड़े का एक डायलॉग याद रहता है बैकग्राउंड म्यूजिक के साथ. कहाँ से मिलती है? फूड. कितना खाना? देखो, खाने से एनर्जी मिलती है ना, तो ज्यादा खाने से ज्यादा एनर्जी नहीं.
Vagus nerve controls all the involuntary functions of the body. It is a part of parasympathetic system which is responsible for the rest and digest response. Basically, when the body is relaxed, the mind is calm. As per the research, the best known breathing technique to stimulate and harmonize this vagus nerve is Sudarshan Kriya.
In fact, the very first 30 minutes, the program, it completely shattered all my concepts, shattered all my boundaries, right? And when I did all of that, it something opened up in me, right? I felt energized. I felt that a wave of enthusiasm, a wave of energy has risen in me, and
feeling very fresh right now because I was so far from this all, but now after coming here, I'm feeling very refreshed. Rebooted, totally rebooted.
Fully energetic.
And happening.
it's blissful, magical.
कुछ फील हो रहा है, बोलना है, बट मुझे समझ में नहीं आ रही कहाँ से स्टार्ट करूँ.
Must.
Amazing.
Fresh
And last 19 years, it has been such a wonderful journey, sharing something so precious, something which has benefited not just me but millions of people all over the world. And the most fulfilling experience is when I see the smile on the face of the participants on the last day, when they come and thank me from the bottom of their heart for this wonderful program. And this is one of the most fulfilling experiences of my life.